Here we are live at the block bright and early on a Saturday morning, and our team has been working extra hard this week. We've got not only a few rooms, but 6 rooms, all with our custom print wallpaper, all to produce in 1 week. What a massive one. All the team have been working extra hard this week to get the jobs done. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes and let's go and check out to see how those rooms are going.
Don't let me walk on you.
Hey team.
Don't let me walk on you.
Oh, who's up on the bunk?
Hello, good morning.
Hey Vito, good morning.
It's Mr. Grafico himself.
Wow.
How you doing?
Very
How you like
cool.
the wallpaper?
What a fun room. How cool is this? Even under the bunk, custom made bunk, little mezzanine.
That's it. Thanks to the guys at Grafico here. We are stoked. We are really loving this room. It's fun, it's bright. Just ties in together with the rails.
Very good.
Great job. Really good job.
So what are we getting, 10 out of 10?
Yep, absolutely.
Number 1.
3 10s. 3 10s. Let's be positive, yeah?
100%. Here's the first room for Mitch and Mark, and we've used our CHINOISERIE brand new wallpaper, and we've printed that in a beautiful custom shade of light sage green. Check it out. Now on to the other room. Oh, look who I found in here. Working hard.
Painting.
Hey, Damian.
This is the Le Tropique kids wallpaper, or not necessarily kids wallpaper, and we've done that in a lighter sort of hue, just brought the transparency down a bit, and I think this is going to look amazing.
It's good for kids. It's your kid's bedroom.
Transforming into an adult.
100%.
Yep.
How cool is that? Beautiful detail up close, a bit of a watercolor sort of design, all hand painted leaves and little leopards in there and a couple of little birds. Very cool. Look at those skylights. Good luck with the reveal.
Thanks
Thanks, guys.
Bye.